Here we are on another conservatory clean. This one hasn't been cleaned in over a year. Customers told us that they moved in a year ago and it's time for it to be looking like new. We're going to put some cleaning agents on this, new PVC cleaning agents, and see how this comes up. Let's go. Nice and easy job, this one. This one hasn't been cleaned in over a year. It's pretty green. Make it from green to clean, shall we? This is some conservatory treatment that we're putting on here, designed to attack algae and lichen, making it easier to remove these organic growths. Unsightly, to be honest. Give them a good treatment, let that work, give it a good clean, see how it comes up.
Against the waves, soaring high, I won't get swept under the tide. Not losing hope, not losing time. I see the light through the storm, through the night. I find my strength and reach new heights. I was born to fight for my life. Rising up, climbing till my legs give out. I can hear my body shout. Arms are getting heavy now, but I know that I won't give up. Every time I stumble down, every time I slip and fall, every time I hit the ground, I rise until I'm standing tall. Rising up.
Just doing the last bit. We are in a bit of a rush. We've got to go and pick the kids up, and they finish at 1:45, and they want to charge us £1 per minute thereafter. So all the cleaning's been done. Any offending items, please give me a call and let me know, and we'll come back. So with it drying in our absence, we can't see if there's any little lines that might have been patched, missed, or little patches that have not been gone over well enough. It has come up well. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, it's good.
And that is us all done.